Good morning, traders. David here from Daily Forecast. It is Tuesday, the 7th of February, and we're here to do an update for Brent oil, and we're here to do an update for crude, and then euro, and then Bitcoin. We do these updates every single morning, and then we post them on the channel. So click the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you guys are alerted whenever I do the update in the mornings. In front of us, we've got Brent oil, the daily chart in front of us. Just to back up again, we're in a bearish AB swing. There's our last A high, there's our last B low. And you can see that price came initially, let me draw that fib in quickly. Price came initially to the 786 area. Okay, price then fell down. And because we got support at this area here, we call the support the B failure 786 area. We expected price to rally up towards the A high. In fact, we were expecting it to actually take out the A high. We came 30 pips shy of taking out the A high. And then you can see there's a lot of resistance up here. And we said because price has found resistance so deep into the AB swing, we are looking for price to fall down towards the B low. Not necessarily take out the B low, but fall down towards the actual B low. Now, if I draw my latest fibs from the B, then you'll see that we've got support down at 78.10, around there. So 78.10 would be the area that I'd be looking for price to give us support, 78 downwards. But you can see that we bounced slightly before. We bounced at 79.10. So let's see if the bears are going to be able to push down to 78.10 around there. If not, this could most likely also be the support that we are finding. You can see we're starting to get into a bit of a sideways range. We haven't taken out the B low, and we haven't taken out the A high. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is the same swing that we have on the daily chart. Let me just crunch it up a bit here. You'll see there's our latest A high and our latest B low. And here again, I've got the BF7 at 6, and you can see it's at 80, at 78.11, 78.10 around there. So probably looking at 78.10, 7800 around there to hold as support. This area here, what are these lows here? These lows is at 77.50. So you can see it's within these lows here. So let's see what happens. Yesterday we were saying that we were expecting a bit of a pullback, okay, a retracement of this last little swing here. Friday's aggressive fall, we were expecting a bit of a pullback, but you can see price first fell, and then we started to pull back quite sharply. So let's see if we do get up to the 618 around there, 82.20, and then let's see if we do find anything bearish. Or I should rather say 618 upwards. Anything from here up, let's see if we do find anything bearish. Okay. A 1-hour chart. I've got some housekeeping to do on the 1-hour chart. You can see that this was our last A high, and that was our last B low. We could draw fibs at that point in time for that last A high and B low, and you can see that price barely even came to the 382. What happened then? Price took out the B low on this time frame, so giving us a new AB swing. Okay, so that would have become a new AB swing. I can move this to the side, and you can see we do have a B low in place here as well. Okay, so if I were to draw my fibs from this A high to this B low, you can clearly see that by the time we had a B low in place, price was really up at the 86 area already. Okay, and then what happened after that? Price actually took out the A high again. So here, this B becomes our new A. Okay, because now we've got a reversal in place again. Okay, here we had continuation, and here because we took out the A high, we've got a reversal. We've also got a B in place here as well already, so we can pull our fibs on this one. So on the smaller time frame, on the 1-hour chart, we've got the start of a reversal. What is that high? 81.78, 81.82, 82.84. So we don't have a B high yet. We don't have a B high yet. This one here, we need two more candles to the right. before we get this B high in place. Okay, so once we have that in the next two hours, if price falls, then we'll draw fibs from the A to the B. We'll look for a retracement down to the 618 or lower, and then we'll look for a buy opportunity. That's what we're looking out for today. Okay, crude oil on the 4-hour chart. There's our most recent A high, there's our most recent B low. Notice also that we're still in that same AB swing. Price is not taken out the high, the A high is not taken out the B low. We came to the 8.6, we fell down. Here we're expecting price to fall all the way through, but the B failure support leads us to believe that we're going to take out the A high. You can see we tried once, twice, thrice, the bulls tried, and the bears just keeps pushing them further down. At this point we said, okay, since we've got a deep swing into the AB swing, we are then looking for price to fall down towards the B low. This one is a bit different to Brent in that the price has taken out these 72.45 B failure lows. You can see we went down to 72.24. Okay, so but still we've got a bullish candlestick formation down here, and let's see if this is the B failure 786 area. Yep. Okay, so on the 4-hour chart, we hit the B failure 786 area on this time frame. Okay, so we are in B failure 786 area on the 4-hour chart on this one. So we can start looking for long entry opportunities. Were there any yesterday? Let me just double check. I didn't look at this one. Let's see. No, there wasn't. We didn't have price pulling back to the 618. You can see that there was never a pullback to the 618. Let's see if we do get that today. So on the 4-hour chart today, let's see if we do get a retracement from this low to this high and a test of this candlestick formation. If we do get a test of this candlestick formation, we will step down to the lower time frames, because that will be an entry to go long. Okay, the 1-hour chart, if I scrunch this up quite a bit for you to see the AB swing, there's the bullish AB swing. A low, B high. Price came all the way down to the B. Now, to me, this is not a convincing start of a reversal pattern. You can see on this time frame, price spiked through. I always say we need a sustained break of the low. This is not a sustained break. Let me just get that candles, the chart looking a bit better. You can see price came down and immediately price came right back up again. So to me, this is not a sustained break. That shows that there's quite a bit of support down at that level. So I wouldn't term this a reversal on this time frame. I would just call this a bounce out of support area, because you can see there's no sign of a clear sustained break here. Okay, price bounce right out. So for this time frame today, I will still treat this as a bounce at the A low, and I'll wait for a test, okay, coming down to the 618 area, and then I'll look for a buy opportunity. That would coincide exactly with the 4-hour chart that I just mentioned. We're looking for a test and then a buy opportunity. So we don't have a new AB swing here in place at all. I'm just looking for the test of yesterday's bullish candlestick formation. At that point, we'll step down to the 5-minute chart, and then you look for your entries on the 5-minute chart. You would look for a fall, a bounce, and then another bullish candlestick formation, and that would be the entry to go long. If price carries on falling all the way down, obviously not giving us anything else, then and we have a sustained break of this low, then we will be starting a reversal on this time frame, not before that. Euro daily chart, got some housekeeping to do here. We still of the same view that we started a reversal on this time frame as well. We've been saying for days now that the daily chart is not the ideal one to work on for this pair as such, because we were waiting for a BI to form, and then price came and took out the last level of support. So all we need to do here, we're still waiting for a B low to form. So we'll just move this down. We have the question mark in there because we don't have a formal B low. We need 2 candles to the right that's higher than this low candle here. If today falls and takes out this low of 709, then we'll have to start all over again and wait all over again. Okay. So nothing nice on the Euro daily chart. The 4-hour chart, also same story. There was our last A low, there was our last B high. You can clearly see this is a level of support. There was our last B high. Price came right down and took out the last level of support. So we got the start of a head and shoulders reversal pattern here. Yesterday we said we are waiting for a B. We are still waiting for that B. Price actually just dropped a bit lower. There's no level of resistance over here that we can call this a B and another A. So the A is still up there, and we are okay. We've actually got the B low in place already. We can take out this. And we can draw fibs. Let's pull our fibs on this one. There's the A high to the B low. So we'll be looking for price to get up to 909 over coming sessions, and that's where we'll look for sell opportunities, 909 or higher. Okay, on this time frame. If price obviously now takes out the B low, we will wait for another B low, because again there's no serious resistance that has actually formed here. So let's see if price rallies up and gives us a nice B low. If we fall from current levels, we'll wait for a new B low to form. But as we're sitting now, we have a B low in place. The 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, we've got some housekeeping to do here as well. Again, a reversal. There's our last A high, A low, B high. You can see here at this level here, price broke the actual A low, starting a reversal. But you can also see yesterday that we had a B low in place here, and then price came and took out that B. So on this time frame, I would say that we do have a new swing in place. Okay, not the best, but it's there. Okay, and there's our new B low on this time frame on the 1 hour chart. And if we draw fibs, we'll draw fibs from this high here down to this low here. So that's our current swing on the 1 hour chart. Okay, again, you need price to come up to 764 based on this small swing, 764, at which point we'll look for short entries. If price rallies up and takes out 797, this A higher, then you'll have a bit of a small reversal on this time frame to be going up. Okay, Bitcoin on the daily chart, there's our most recent A B bearish swing. At this point in time here, price came and took out that A resistance high, starting an inverse head and shoulders reversal pattern. There's our left shoulder, there's our center shoulder. Price rallied. We finally did get a B. Okay, we drew our fibs from the A low to the B high. Okay, we are now looking for this action, price to actually pull back. Okay, so we are looking for price to pull back to 18,800 around there. Okay, the 618. If price pulls back to that 618, gives us something bullish, then that will be an entry to go long with targets up at 30,000. Okay, we're not anywhere remotely near that. Price can bounce at any level, but for our trading system, we always look for the 618 or the 786. So over time, we do have an inverse head and shoulders pattern on Bitcoin, and we are bullish on Bitcoin for now, but we are waiting for a retracement. Okay, so that's what I see on Bitcoin for now. So subscribe to the channel, guys. That's all that we are finished with our analysis for the day. Subscribe to the channel. If there are any pairs that you guys want us to go over, let us know. Let me know, then I'll analyze them for you. And hit the bell notification so that you're alerted whenever a video is out. Okay, enjoy the rest of the trading day. So just to back up quickly again, we're looking for opportunities on Brent oil today. We're looking for a fall down to a 618. We're looking for an opportunity on crude oil. We're looking for the test of this candlestick formation. Nothing on the 1 hour euro. There might be opportunities 764 or higher to sell. Okay, nothing on Bitcoin for now. Enjoy the trading day. Cheers, guys. Bye.